Hi, Dr. Momo here. Today we are going to talk about noisy sleepers. The reason you're staring at your phone at 2 a.m. going, are they okay? Should I be calling 911? Why is my baby grunting like a tiny bodybuilder? Okay, let's break it down science style. Newborns have tiny squishy airways, so air moving through them makes all kinds of sounds. Squeaks, snorts, grunts. All right, their breathing control system is still under construction, most like everything else going on with these little humans. So they breathe in short bursts, pause, then grunt like they're maxing out at the gym. Babies are nose breathers for the first few months, and even a single booger can make your peanut snort and grunt and all kinds of things. So what's normal? What's not? Occasionally, hear me again, occasionally grunting, stretching, or even growling in their sleep, totally normal. Again, occasionally. All right. Grunting while adjusting to digestion, because let's face it, newborn pooping is basically an Olympic sport. And random snorts and squeaks and other things like that, because as like everything else with babies, it's tiny and dramatic. Okay, so when to worry? Sometimes you got to call the doc. Sometimes you got to go to the ER. So if they are grunting with every breath, not just occasionally, that's a trip to the ER. If their skin is blue or dusky, again, red alert, you need to get to the ER. If their chest sucks in hard between the ribs with each breath, again, you're taking a trip to the ER. If they're struggling to poop for hours, not just minutes, but hours with no results, again, you're headed to the ER. Okay, so there's some in-between areas of normal, adorable, cute little baby sounds and emergency visits. So what do you do there? All right, you want to record a clip of those noises and send it to your pediatrician. Reach out to the nurse line. They'll walk you through what to do. They'll either bring you in, tell you some tips and tricks for at home, or they'll refer you to the ER. All right. So if they give you the all clear, then what you can do at home to help clear baby's tiny airways, depending on the situation, you can do some saline spray in that little snotty suck bulb thing. Think of it as baby nose maintenance. All right. And you want humid air. So you can use a humidifier to do that, because moist air means less booger problems. Less booger problems equals clearer airways, less grunting, less effort. And tummy time. This again is going to help build those core muscles for digestion and breathing control. So the final word, babies grunt, snort, and make weird noises. Most of the time that's normal, but if it ever looks like they are struggling to breathe, it's time to get help. Until next time, do good, kiss the baby, love yourself, toodles!